Are you ready to protect and elevate your vehicle's appearance? At Southern Ceramic Solutions, we don't just detail. We protect your vehicle with professional-grade ceramic coatings like System X Max and NanoPro 2.0 Maximum Impact. Why choose ceramic for your vehicle? Long-lasting protection. It shields your paint from UV rays, oxidation, bird droppings, bugs, and road grime. It's super hydrophobic. You can watch the water bead on it and roll right off. It's also easier to maintain, so there's less scrubbing and more time for driving. Whether it's your daily driver, your weekend toy, or your prized show car, we've ceramic coated them all, and the results speak for themselves. Check out our past ceramic coating projects on our YouTube channel or online at southernceramicsolutions.com. We'd be happy to give you a quote or schedule you an appointment. To give us a call, 256-440-1520, or stop by and see us at 1595 Main Street in Fyffe. We hope to see you at Southern Ceramic Solutions soon.